Okay, after we were embarrassed by the Kinzo 3-pack for €3, I thought I'd embarrass myself with Block's waterproof padlock for €3, 8mm shackle. So I'm guessing from the packaging, I'm guessing it's going to be like a laminated. I'm guessing it's going to be a master lock type deal. Where is this made? It's imported for Gem Imports. Doesn't say where it's made there. So yeah, let's see if we can get this open. Yeah, that looks very similar to kind of a. Actually, does this come? Actually, no, we'll do it later. I'll put it in the vise because it seems easier to put it in the vise than do anything else with it. There will be. It's one of the Kinzos. Interesting enough, these Kinzos are made in China, and the keys look very similar. The patination and stuff look very similar to these tricircle. These tricircle padlocks. These are proper. These are proper brass. These are nice. Destructive entry is difficult with these, but as they are very well made. But picking them is quite easy. So yeah. But we'll get the vise. We'll do the block. We'll do the block waterproof lock. Oh god, look at that bitting. That bitting is yeah, that is very low, very high, very high, very low. I'm guessing it's a 4-penner. Nothing's in the way. Right. Hopefully that won't stop the. Well, no, because we've seen the key. We know we're gonna need a deep hook. So we'll use the number 2. The number 2 from the. Oh, so tension is not really long enough. Need a spring-loaded one. If we can get it in there. Yes, that's. I don't like how much that cord is turning. Let's put it there. I can't get it back out now. My pick is stuck. Right, so I'll click there. Something else is binding there. I'll go too far. No, there we go. Yeah, we got it open. It was a nice easy one. I think I must have disturbed them on the way through, but yeah, I only actually had to manipulate 2 pins intentionally there. Yeah, look at that bit. That is. I've been in the garden again, so my hands are filthy. But yeah, look at that bit. That is nasty low, nasty high. Yeah, it's a nice sounding lock. It sounds really. Yeah, and it's made in China, 40mm laminated, and it is identical to one of those. One of the others. Master lock, the original, the best. It'll be one of those. It'll be one of those under there. Made in China. 40mm, but it's a lock for €3. I mean, that's crazy, because that is master lock for €15, that for €3. I mean, it's virtually identical this time. Save yourself €12. Get yourself a Supermax and get yourself a block waterproof padlock. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video.